Hi guys, my name's Jade. Welcome to my channel. If you're new or if you're returning to my channel, then hi and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my monthly unboxing of the Degusta box. Now if you don't know what Degusta box is, it's a food subscription box. So every month you will receive treats and goodies of brand new items that are going to be in the supermarkets, things that you may never heard of from all sorts of different brands, some brands that you may have heard of and some brands that you might not have heard of, and most things in the boxes are like gluten-free, vegan-free, so they're all really good quality products and really good stuff. So you can get a variety of different products from like drinks to household items like cupboard essentials and snacks and things like that. So it's a really good subscription box. I will leave my discount code on the screen here and how much the box cost, and you can save yourself some money off your first purchase. But this month's box is a good one. So I had a look at the little leaflet, and this month, where is it? I've actually got quite a few leaflets in this month's box. The theme for this month of October is movie night and Halloween, of course. There is some fab products in here, guys. Like, oh my god, I'm literally so excited. I can't wait. So let's just get stuck in and see what is in this box. So the first thing I pulled out is these Reese's peanut butter minis. Now, I don't know about you, but I love peanut butter. I'm not a huge fan, but I do like it, and I'm obsessed with these. They are so nice, literally so nice. These are available in all major supermarket chains and they retail for £1.50. So it's obviously Reese's, a delicious mix of chocolate and peanut butter to satisfy your ultimate crave, and it's now available in minis, so in a mini bite version, bite-sized cups in a convenient share bag. Reese's peanut butter in a cup, anything but ordinary. I literally love these so much, and I'm not gonna lie, I am gonna open them and I'm gonna have one. I always get hungry when I do these videos, so so good. So then we have, what are these? These are Ollie's pretzel thins. So little pretzels thins, 2 packets. So you should receive 2 of these in your box. They're available on Amazon and Ollie's online shop. The flavours are salted and multi-seed sesame. So they look really nice. So they're 95 calories. Well, one's 95 calories, one's 98 calories. They're thin and crispy, oven baked, low in fat. Are they vegan or anything like that? Let me have a look. Might tell me on here. Oh yeah. So our pretzel thins are the perfect healthy alternative to crisps. Not only are they oven baked, extra crispy and super impressive, they also have up to 80% less fat and 45% fewer calories than a potato crisp, and they come in at less than 98 calories per pack, and yes, they're vegan too, so that's fab to know. So if you watched a lot of my videos of the Degusta boxes before, then you will know that most of the items that you do get in the boxes are like vegan and sometimes like dairy-free and gluten-free, so it's perfect if you follow like a gluten-free diet, dairy-free diet, or if you're vegan. So these look amazing. And then the next thing we have, I think we've had something that looks similar to this before in the Degusta box. This is the Attacker Snack Original Nachos. So the Attacker Snack Nachos are £1.50, and it says win 2 Cineworld tickets every day with Attacker Snack. Simply find your unique code inside of the film and enter it on the website. So this is the Mexican cheese and tomato nachos flavour. So I guess you could take those to the cinema. Perfect to sit and watch a film with. So they look really nice. So then the next thing in the box is these brioche buns, which is very unusual. But this is a pack of 6 brioche burger buns, and they're by a brand called St. Pierre. They are £2 and available in Tesco's. It says, go gourmet with St. Pierre. These rich buttery tasting buns will take your burgers to the next level. They're also amazingly versatile, so whether you're indulging at breakfast or dishing up something different for dessert, these pre-sliced, deliciously soft brioche buns are the perfect partner. Make every day magnificent. So, magnifique it says. So yeah, burger buns, but like it says, you can have them for all sorts of different like all sorts of different things, I guess. Feel really, really good too. Like, I don't know, does that sound weird? Like, it feels like a good bun. Really nice. So yeah, we love burgers in this house and they will go down a treat. Then we have these, which Harrison is absolutely gonna love. These are the BOOHOO chocolate filled crepes. These are $1.75. You get 8 in there, and it says a parent's best friend and a kid's favorite. The BOOHOO crepes are the perfect way to reward hungry mouths in need of energy boost. These yummy crepes are filled with tasty chocolate and made with without any preservatives. They are individually wrapped, can't speak, for convenience, making them an ideal snack on the go. So they're available as the Morrison's Ocado Spa and the Go Locals. So yeah, lovely. And another thing that I noticed, it says no palm oil, which is fantastic. Harrison's gonna love those. We have Maltesers hot chocolate. This sounds perfect for like a movie night. Oh my god, it's £2.59. You can get it in Morrison's, Sainsbury's and Asda. It says your favourite super chocolatey hot chocolate with a new fancy look. Delicious, topped with mini marshmallows, squirted cream, or as an ingredient for your favourite baking recipes. Oh yeah, perfect. So obviously, like, you can use hot chocolate in like cakes and things like that, 'cause it's like a cocoa powder. So this is obviously cocoa and malt flavoured. So yeah, perfect to make like cupcakes with. You can make like banana like pancakes and you can put that in it or something. So it says Maltesers instant hot chocolate available in a 350 gram or 180 gram jar, or you can buy it in a 140 gram pouch, individual sticks and pods. Something for everyone to enjoy. So this is obviously the biggest one, and I am going to be looking forward to having a hot chocolate, a Maltesers hot chocolate with some cream marshmallows on. So literally my favourite thing at this time of year. So yeah, I'm excited for that. So I've noticed every month you do get like a little gift, like a sample size of something. So this month we have the Cookie Cat Wild Berries. It's a cashew and oat cookie. That looks really nice. And it's available in organic food stores. It just has a tempting red colour and irresistible taste. A lovely combination of tender cacao butter drops and sweet with a bit sour taste of lingonberries. Just one bite and there is no turning back. So that looks good. Organic, it's vegan. Sounds delicious. So these are products of the month. These are the Yes bars. These are plant protein bars. They're £1.59 each. Pricing is at the discretion of the retailer. Oh, okay, so they might be like different in other shops kind of thing. You should have received 2 items in your box, and they're available at Holland & Barrett, BP, Moto and W. Smith's. Say yes to the new Yes plant protein bars. 10 grams of plant-based protein with nuts as the #1 ingredient, plus the added luxury of smooth dark chocolate. And they're available in 2 flavours, which I've got: cashew, blueberry and dark chocolate, and almond, peanut and double dark chocolate. Now, I say this every time when we get stuff like this in the boxes. I love stuff like this. It's so nice, and the fact that it's plant-based, but they just look so nice. Like, I love anything like that with like nuts in, and just yeah, I'm a really big fan of things like this. So I think I will be enjoying those. So we have another bar. So this is a flapjack by a brand called Bryn Mawr. I'm guessing that's what it says, Bryn Mawr. Is it like Welsh or something? Yes, it's Welsh. Lovely baked in Wales. So this is by Bryn Mawr, the chocolate flapjack. It's £1.29. Chocoholics rejoice. Satisfy your chocolatey cravings in the best way with our delicious chocolate coated flapjack, packed full of high quality natural ingredients, and it's perfect for that well-deserved treat time, curled up with a cuppa. Gluten-free, source of fibre, vegetarian, wheat-free, no artificial flavours or colours. Perfect. Available on Ocado, Waitrose, Nisa, which is like your local shop, W.H. Smith Travel, Grapetree, and obviously on their website, which is brynmawfoods.com, and a wide range of independent health stores. So I'm guessing like, I don't know, like Holland & Barrett, like Whole Foods, but that sounds delicious. I love a good flapjack. So then we have another one of these. So we got something similar to this in last month's box. This is brand new. This is by the brand Naked. This is the Malaysian rendang veg pot. That looks so good. Mushroom and broccoli flavour. It's like a curry. It says naked veg pots, 100% plant-based, 1 of your 5 a day, and are available in 3 delicious authentic flavours. So you've got Korean barbecue ramen, Malaysian redang, and Chinese green vegetable broth. Simply add water for a delicious new nutritious lunch in minutes. All products are vegan friendly. Perfect. That's perfect. So anyone watching is vegan. These are new and you can get these in Tesco's, it says. So they sound really good. So it says here that we're supposed to get the Scare Strings strawberry lollies, which are these. It says here, but they're not in the box. You should get receive a fully redeemable voucher. So you can grab a free pack in Tesco, Asda, Morrison, Sainsbury's. So make sure you keep your free little coupons and you can grab a packet of those. I'm guessing the reason why they've not put them in is because they're like a chilled item, so it needs to be in the fridge. So yeah, so you do get those, but you have to redeem it with your little voucher in the shop. So I'll be keeping that. Oh my god, guys, I think this is probably the best thing in the box. I don't know, but we have these. Oh my god, Kit Kat Senses. Amazing. This is £5. This is the chocolate selection gift box, available in all major supermarket chains. In your Kit Kat Senses box, you can expect to find a mix of 3 delicious flavours, all individually wrapped: salted caramel, double chocolate and hazelnut, bite-sized pieces, deliciously crisp chocolate covered wafers with indulgent fillings. Give Kit Kat Senses as a perfect gift or share with your family and friends. So yeah, perfect. How nice is that? So if you want to keep it for yourself to have and eat, or you could keep it and put it away for Christmas maybe and give it to someone as a gift, I think that would be really nice. Like, oh my god, I'm so excited. Like, they are the perfect movie night treat. Now, I was going to say that was the best, the Kit Kats, but I think this is the best. This is, save the best to last. We have some Costa Coffee Granules instant coffee. I don't think I've seen instant coffee by Costa before. So this is the smooth medium roast instant coffee with finely ground beans. This is £5.50. It doesn't tell me where you can get it from. I'm guessing most like supermarket chains, maybe you could buy it in Costa itself, but I love coffee, so this to me is amazing. Like, I can have a coffee with me flapjack and chill out. Well, maybe when I can, and that's just perfect. Nice little coffee there and a flapjack, nice little treat. So that was everything in this month's October Degusta box. I'm actually really impressed, and I feel, yeah, the October box was really good. So they smashed it this month. It was absolutely amazing. So if you do want to get yourself a box and you want to check it out and maybe get next month's, because obviously I'm guessing it's coming up to Christmas, so maybe November and December boxes will be good. And I do know we have an advent calendar, so you can get your Christmas advent calendar is here. It's $33.99. It's limited edition. So if you use the code ADVENT2020, you can get a discount and you will get an advent. So yeah, maybe check that out. You can get yourself an advent calendar from Degusta box. But yeah, that was everything in this month's box, guys. I hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you do give it a massive big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys soon.